Stop scrolling right now because this car might save you more money than you think. This is not a supercar, it is not loud, and it does not try to impress your neighbors. But the 2026 Toyota Corolla Cross could be the smartest car you buy in the next 5 years, especially if you live in busy city traffic, deal with high fuel prices, or plan to resell later. Today I will explain why this simple-looking SUV is winning hearts in the USA and across Asia, and why many buyers quietly choose this over flashier cars. Welcome back to the channel, New Car News. If you want honest car reviews made for real buyers, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Now let's talk about the 2026 Toyota Corolla Cross. The Corolla Cross sits perfectly between a sedan and a full SUV. It is easy to drive like a Corolla but gives you the height, space, and safety feeling of an SUV. For 2026, Toyota refined the design, improved tech, and made the hybrid version even more efficient, which matters a lot for Asian buyers and US city drivers. Let's start with price because this is one of the biggest reasons people love this car. In the USA, the 2026 Toyota Corolla Cross starts around $25,000 for the petrol version. The hybrid version starts close to $28,500. In Japan, pricing converts to roughly 3.2 to 3.8 million yen depending on trim. In ASEAN markets like Thailand, Indonesia, and Malaysia, expect prices between $30,000 to $36,000 after local taxes. This puts it right in the affordable compact SUV zone. Now fuel average, the most important topic for Asian buyers. The petrol Corolla Cross gives around 31 miles per gallon in city and 33 on highway in the USA. That already beats many small SUVs. But the real star is the hybrid. The Corolla Cross Hybrid delivers around 45 miles per gallon in city and 38 on highway. In Asian terms, that is around 19 to 21 kilometers per liter in mixed driving. If you drive daily in traffic, this saves a lot of money every month. Let's talk real savings. Compared to a normal petrol SUV, the hybrid Corolla Cross can save you around $600 to $900 per year in fuel in the USA. In countries with expensive fuel like Japan or parts of ASEAN, savings can go even higher. There is no full EV range here, but the electric motor helps in traffic, low-speed driving, and stop-and-go roads, which is perfect for Asian cities. Maintenance cost is another big win. Toyota is famous for low maintenance, and the Corolla Cross follows the same rule. Annual maintenance in the USA is around $300 to $400. In Japan and ASEAN markets, parts are cheap and widely available, which keeps service costs low. Hybrid battery warranty usually goes up to 8 to 10 years depending on market, so you do not need to worry about expensive battery replacement early. Resale value is excellent. Toyota Corolla models are known for strong resale everywhere. After 5 years, the Corolla Cross is expected to retain around 60 to 65% of its value. In Asia, Toyota resale is even stronger because buyers trust the brand. This means when you sell it later, you get more money back compared to many rivals. Now performance in simple terms. This is not a racing car, and Toyota does not try to make it one. The petrol engine is smooth and quiet, perfect for daily driving. The hybrid version feels quicker in the city because the electric motor gives instant response. In traffic, it feels light and easy. On highways, it is stable at cruising speeds, comfortable for long drives, and easy to control even for new drivers. Overtaking is decent, not aggressive, but safe and predictable. For ownership cost, insurance is another advantage. Because this is not a high-power car, insurance is cheaper. In the USA, insurance cost is lower than bigger SUVs and turbo models. In Asia, insurers trust Toyota safety systems, so premiums stay reasonable. Parts availability is excellent. You can find Toyota service centers almost everywhere, from big US cities to small towns in ASEAN countries. Interior space is smartly designed. It is not huge, but it is enough for small families. Rear seats are comfortable for adults, and the trunk is big enough for groceries, travel bags, or daily business use. Ground clearance is good for bad roads, speed breakers, and flooded streets, which is very important in many Asian cities. Now let's do a quick comparison. Compared to the Toyota RAV4, the Corolla Cross is cheaper, easier to drive in tight roads, and more fuel efficient. Compared to the Honda HR-V, the Corolla Cross offers better hybrid efficiency and stronger resale value. Honda feels sporty, but Toyota feels more reliable long-term, especially for buyers who keep cars for many years. Why is this car smart for Asian roads and traffic? First, it is easy to park. Second, it handles narrow streets well. Third, the hybrid system loves traffic, where fuel saving is highest. Fourth, suspension is tuned for comfort, not stiff sportiness, which helps on rough roads. Fifth, Toyota reliability means fewer headaches. The 2026 Corolla Cross is not trying to be exciting on paper. It is trying to make your daily life easier and cheaper. It is for office commuters, small families, business owners, and overseas buyers who want a trusted Japanese car with low risk. If you want a car that saves fuel, costs less to maintain, holds value, and works perfectly in city and highway driving, the 2026 Toyota Corolla Cross is one of the safest choices you can make today. If this video helped you, smash that like button, subscribe to New Car News for more honest reviews made for USA and Asian buyers, and comment below if you would choose petrol or hybrid. See you in the next video.